Alright, YouTube, we back with another banger. You know what time it is. No watch. We live and litty riding through the city with another banger after the Range USA. Yep, we are at Range USA. I wonder, you know, I never thought about it. How fast do you think they changed that sign? I never even paid attention to it, but it do say Range USA now.
Man, it's a police sitting in front of the entrance, bro. You see him?
Yeah, you're on the other side.
Other side of the
Like by the, yeah.
That's some sneaky crap you doing there. So.
Yeah. That's illegal too. His name is Hazard on. Y'all see this? Look at this. Look at this.
Freeway sign?
Yeah, look at this. Popo just sitting there. No hazards on. No lights on. You ain't got nobody pulled over. Sitting in a car. Pretty sure I can see him too.
Yeah, he's a...
I don't know what he's doing.
He's a baconator.
Yeah, he's being a creep. And that's illegal.
Yeah.
How come they can do illegal stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if your lights are blue, they'll say you're impersonating the blue.
Right now. But anyways, we got to go in here and get some range action for y'all again.
Yeah, because we really don't fucking feel like it.
Yeah, we just ate a lot of food at Chili's. And we're pretty stuffed, like it's November. Thanksgiving. Turkey. Stuffing. You get it? You get it?
Well, you talking to me? I'm stuffed crust, brother. Hey, guys, it's Safe Alonzo. The guy that likes to let them go. And I'm not just talking about bullets, even about other stuff.
What the hell?
Anyway, I think you guys should run these numbers up, especially if it's monetized. We're not selling it for anything else but monetization, okay? Green money signs, ching ching. All right? Because we spend a lot of monies. So we need to
Spend a lot of monies.
A lot of monies. Okay? Safe Alonzo, subscribe to the channel, man. We're going all the way up 20, 20, 20, 20s, and however many 20s there's going to be until I die. Okay? It made absolutely not a squint or pinch or whatever. Now, so they did. It made no sense. And that didn't either. Okay? I'm rambling because I'm freaking full.
This is not a Red Bull paid sponsorship. Like, I couldn't even say that right. This is not a paid sponsorship by Red Bull.
Bro, y'all made me spit that shit out, bro.
Oh, what the hell? So we are here today, guys. Today's lesson is brought to you by
Please.
but not sponsored by
Please.
Glocky. Yes, this is a take and delivery video and a first shots video. This is a 23 Gen 3 40
with a wanker.
My first 40 Smith & Wesson. I mean, I had one a long time ago. Comes with 2 mag. Y'all know how the Glocks come, so yeah, man, we about to get right. Load up real quick, and then we're gonna get some first shots. It's gonna be a quick video, kind of like a first shots and impression video. Target is already up, so yeah, Glocky. All right, guys. So first shots and impressions with the Glock 23 and 40 Smith & Wesson. I chunk it. So we leave this here, put it back up. Put it back up. I didn't.
Good shoe.
Knock the chunk out that thing. I like that.
You shot pretty darn good, brother. Let's bring that back.
Yeah, let's see.
Some good grouping.
Not too bad.
Good shooting.
Keyhold it.
Keyhold it.
Keyhold it. Yeah, y'all gonna have to start calling me Keyhole Shouty. Keyhole Simo. Keyhole Simo. That's my new nickname. So, my first thoughts, trigger's not bad at all. But, you know, I gotta add my own little touch to it. Make it mine. So, big things are coming. And that was a 22 round, man. I like it. It resembles the 45. I guess because it's more of a compact, packs a punch, but it's not too hard to control. You know what I mean? Like the 45 can get away from you a little bit sometimes if you're not, you know, you anticipate it a little bit, or it packs too much of a punch and the recoil gets you, you know, whatever. But I feel like this is a lot more easier to control, even for being compact. And yeah, I'm gonna load up one more mag, and I'm gonna let Lonzo get some, because you know it ain't no fun if the gun bros don't get some.
Yes, indeed.
So, all right, guys. So now we're gonna run the mag that came with it. It came with two 13-round mags. So that doesn't do it. I didn't think it would.
Like you teasing that circle. Teleport. Oh, there we go. You kissed it. Whoa. Whoa. What happened?
That was weird. Hold on. That was weird.
What happened?
When I pulled the trigger, it felt like it was jammed, but it was not. Might have just been me.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Let me
Let's see how that works. That was a little bit better grouping.
Yeah.
Shooting for the smaller. Still keyhold it.
Yeah.
Still keyhold it.
You kissed it.
Keyhole Simo. Hashtag pressure. Yeah, I like it. I feel like this could also be if you like 40 Smith & Wesson ammunition.
And the bullets are readily
The
available.
ammo is cheap. I mean, not cheap, but
It's around.
yeah. So I mean, we got 150 rounds, like $65.
Not bad.
I mean, I like it. I like it. And I mean, like I said, it's compact, so I mean, the fitment in the hand is comfortable. The grooves that are in the handle, I do like.
Smooth.
Rack smooth. There's no catch. I mean, I like it. The trigger is not bad at all. It is clear. Yeah, it is clear. It mags out. So, yeah. I would suggest, if you've been thinking about it, try to find one that you can shoot. But if you just want my honest opinion, I am quite confident and happy with this purchase. I mean, the firearm itself is reasonable. I gotta let Lonzo shoot this and see what he thinks.
Let me do it.
I like it. I think it was a good deal. I like it. So now Lonzo's gonna get some.
Cory couldn't do it.
Nah, he couldn't do it. It's smooth. Uh-oh. I think that's a user error. That's a user error. It didn't jam on me.
It jammed.
It didn't jam on me. Another one?
I think that's me. I'm probably limp wristing it.
Either that or you loaded it messed up.
I actually did.
Did you load it right?
I think this, if I was.
User error.
Tell you what, man, you put it out to 20. 20 bullets, I will let you back.
Mag loader probably.
He messed it up.
It's not the gun. I think.
Yeah, I don't think you fully appreciate
Again.
Bro,
Pause.
I put the factory mag in because I think the mag loader, I think I loaded it wrong. I don't know. That was my first time.
Pretty good. Check it out.
I like it, just gotta get the red dot sighted.
You sure are getting a lot of jams.
I think it's me though. It's not the gun. I think I'm limp wristing it.
Yeah, that's right.
Whatever that means. I don't know.
After all,
That was me. I was wristing. That is terrible grouping. I don't know. I guess I ain't.
Whoa.
That shit was terrible, bro. Real terrible. Yeah.
What do you think about the firearm?
It's cool, but I don't think I'm gonna stick to 9mm, bro. I don't know.
I just can't leave it here.
Let me get one more shot, bro. Let me see what it's something I'm doing wrong. That shit's terrible. L Hustle. Shout out to Jimmy Hustle, man.
Big gun.
Did you see that one? Cause I didn't.
I tried to zoom in, but I think you shot like right when I zoomed in, so I couldn't see.
Okay, let's try one. Hey, and it didn't jam either.
My brown
All right.
casing.
You ready?
Yeah. That was a good shot. It was in the blue.
Okay, so I like the gun because I can shoot gangster with it.
Coils.
GSG Hustle.
Donkey is cheap.
Even though I think I'm gonna start shooting like I shoot better that way. Because I'm black. I don't know.
Oh my god.
Damn, bro. That's crazy. So you mean it's gonna be with two hands? I do this shit right here with two hands.
Not a bad range. What about you?
Side ghetto shooting was great.
Your throw back in.
I don't. That's so. I'm left-handed, so I'm backwards. That's so ass backwards, isn't it, Cory?
Yeah.
You want to try to shoot gangster, bro, and see what you do.
Let me try. Let me do it. And then we're gonna finish this video off.
Hit the blue. That's crazy, bro. You paused it?
No.
You didn't?
No.
Oh.
So finish the video off right way.
Oh, the right way. What you saying? I was shooting wrong? I mean, I really was. But go ahead.
No.
Yeah.
I'm saying finish the video off.
Yeah, because that was terrible. I can shoot good sideways, though. Where'd you
Where
hit?
that went?
I didn't see it.
It was right below the middle.
All right, you know what? Let's try the. You see that the little dot in the middle?
What?
The little dot in the middle.
What?
The second dot up under those three.
Yeah.
So you got 1, you got 2, 3, and then that bottom one. Not all the way at the bottom, but right there in the middle.
That's where I just aimed.
Oh,
But I
okay.
hit like an inch below.
Okay, let me try. How many bullets?
Huh?
Let's try sideways. Who can hit it first? How many shots is in there?
Let me. I don't know. Probably like.
Who?
Probably like 10.
Let's see who can hit that hole. You take 5, I'll take 5.
That's
Yeah.
hot. That was way off.
Way off. That was off too. That's
That was in the. Where was that at?
at the top left. What are you doing? Sideways, brother. Nope. So that's 3, right? Yeah. 4, you flinched
That
hard
was
as
a lot of anticipation.
shit. 5, you didn't hit. Watch me hit this bitch on the first shot.
You ain't.
I'm a gangster shooter, bro.
He ain't gonna
I am
get
the
it.
typical
He
stereotype.
ain't gonna get it.
I'm the typical.
I hope you don't get it.
I'm the typical. And I'm gonna try one with my right hand.
With what?
I'm gonna try with my right hand.
All right, let's see.
Let's see.
Let's zoom in.
Man, that's hard. Okay, come on, Zoe. No. How many shots was that?
4.
Shit, one more? One thing I do like about Glock, she can feel that wall. Feel the wall?
Yeah, you suck.
Shit. How many more shots you need? We got 2 more shots, Cory. Come on. Want 2 more shots?
Come
A piece? Okay. You want me to go first?
No. I did 5. You did 5. Now it's my turn.
Okay, so I got
Why
you
you trying to
2.
cheat?
I got you 2 in here.
Why you trying to cheat?
I got you 2 in here. I'm gonna hit that shit, bro. You got 2 of them in there. Oh.
Smooth.
What you zoomed in? Let me see. Alright. I did not see where you hit.
I ain't either.
You didn't hit. She's still clear. That's hard, ain't it? It's challenging though. I don't even know how far off I was. But it's crazy I hit that one though.
We got ammo, shells everywhere, casings
Yeah.
everywhere. You ain't gonna hit it. You're close. No.
What?
Yeah, you suck. You suck.
Damn, a little bit on field to hit it.
You suck.
Well, I don't think we can hit it.
Yeah, so
That was fun.
yeah.
I mean, we got close.
One more. I'm gonna do one more. Let's see if I can hit the middle regular. I hit the blue, but I like it.
It's cool.
It's my first 40 in a long time. It's a Glock, so I can do some things to it. Endless possibilities. So it's clear. So just take a look at it now. See what it looks like. Saw how it shoots. So with that being said, all my 2A family, y'all know what time it is. No watch. Stay safe, stay protected, and stay blessed. To the next video. Hold on, scan the drip real quick. You know what I'm saying? Scan the. Let's go, Mavs.
So I think
Yeah.